Diwali comes from a Sanskrit word called Deepavali. Deepavali means a row of lights. It's good over evil, knowledge over ignorance. That is the essence of the festival. Diwali is celebrated by 4 religious groups. All have different meaning from the history, and Diwali has been celebrated in India for over thousands of years.
It's the first Diwali celebration festival of lights held by Orange County. It's a collaboration between the Asian Cultural Association, the India Center at the University of Central Florida, and Fusion Fest, and the Orange County Asian Committee.
This is beautiful what's happening in Orange County, and we greatly thankful to Mayor Demings and Orange County leaders for putting a Diwali celebration. As you know, the Diwali is one of the major festivals celebrated by Hindus, Sikhs, Jain, and some Buddhists. And I would say over 1.3 billion people around the world celebrate. And what we're doing here in Orange County is phenomenal. And it spiritually symbolizes the victory of knowledge over ignorance, light over darkness. And that's what life is all about.
As we have tried to put a focus during my administration on innovation, collaboration, and inclusion, this is what we're all about, where we're celebrating the broad diversity in our community.
It's really nice for all the government officials, to be involved, know what the culture is about, know what Hinduism is, what Diwali is, because Diwali is the main festival of Hindus, So for them to recognize and, celebrate it over here, it's a big deal for us Hindus.
Orange County is growing in its diversity, and Orange County is interested in collaboration, innovation, inclusion. So learning about all the people that are here that might be from different cultural traditions is important for us to work together as a society.
Indians are a big part of the Orange County and in Central Florida region, between owning businesses, lawyers, physicians, engineers. We play a big part, I think, in the Orange County economy, and it's kind of nice to see us getting involved in different committees and communities, organizations, boards, and it's important to hear our voice.
Living in this area, we're so fortunate to have such great cultural diversity and so many traditions that come from all over the world, and we get the best of those things. And so to be able to be part of these traditions for these families and to share into all families feels like the best type of community to be in.
It doesn't necessarily have to be, just about religion. It is about community. It is about celebration. It is about celebration of all of us together. And this is a new year happening, so we want to have a good beginning. We want everybody to be prosperous and happy. And this is a good way for all people from all communities. We want all people from all communities to come and celebrate with us.